Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 11 Algebra Exercise 11.5 question number 5. So friends, without wasting any time, let us begin. This question is, solve the following riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles, right? So riddles are given, we have to solve them. First one, go round a square counting every corner thrice and no more. Add the count to me to get exactly 34. Now it is asking us here that who am I. So in this you have to see what does this mean. What is the value of this. So what do you have in that, right? So now you need to see that now we can see. So you can see what is a square. This is a square. Suppose this is my square, okay, and you can see if you start from this point, okay, this corner of the square, you will go 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. One round completed. So in one round you cover 4 corners and you have to go thrice, so that is 3 times. So 4 into 3, that is 12. So you can write here that number of corners, and that is 12, right? So you get 12 corners. Now also it is saying that you have to add this 12 to me, that is something. You have to add 12 to something that we have to find, right? So to get exactly 34, so if you add 12 to something, let us assume that something as a variable. We can say x, so you will add x plus 12, right? You are adding 12 to x, 12 to something, so that equals to 34, right? Now once you have formed the equation, it will be very easy to solve. So you can see this is our equation. Now we solve this. So x will be equal to 34 minus 12, and that means x is equal to 2 and 2, 22, right? So you are adding 12 to what? 22, okay. So that means who am I? The answer of the first riddle is 22. Then if we move on to the second one, so here you can see, for each day of the week make an up count from me to if you make no mistake you will get 23. Now it is saying that for each day of the week, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. And also it is saying if you add 7 to something, right? You add 7 to something. Up count means to count that basically. So you are counting 7 days in a week. So you add 7 to something. That something again you will assume. So let us assume it as x, right? So you will do x plus 7, and that equals to, you over here it has given 23. So 23. Now let us solve this. So again x is equal to, so this plus 7 becomes minus 7 on the other side. 23 minus 7, right? So that means x is equal to 16, right? So that means answer of the second riddle is 16. Let's move on to the next riddles. Now next riddle is, I am a special number. Take away from me a 6, a whole cricket team you will still be able to fix. Now there is again a special number. That special number is there. You subtract 6 from that special number, okay. So when you subtract 6 from that, you will have enough, you will have a number which will be enough to make entire cricket team. In a cricket team there are 11 players, so you subtract 6 from something, that will give you 11. That special number we assume as x, so x minus 6 is equal to 11, okay. Then now you see, so you can do this by the trial and error method as well. In this method you can fix the value for x, any value. Suppose let us take a bigger number. So suppose I take 7 over here, 18, right? So you do 18 minus 6, and that will be 12. So 1 less, so something we have to subtract from this. So let us take 17. 17 minus 6, that will give you 11, right? So this x is what? 17. 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. So answer of the first riddle is 17, right? So special number is 17. Then next is tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. Now, suppose you have a number here that it has given us in the question as 22. Now you subtract 22 something from 22, so let us assume that as x, then you will still get x, right? So you can see 22 minus x is equal to x. So this x, it is very clear have the same value. When they have the same value, we can again assume value of x to get value of both of these x. So suppose I take, let us say 12. So 22 minus 12, this will be 0 and 1. So 10, right? But you can see that if you assume this x as 12, right? So this becomes 22 minus 12, that will be 10. But what is it saying is you will get me back if you take me out of 22. So if you subtract something from 22, you will get that same number which you have subtracted from 22. So we have subtracted 12, so we should get 12, but we are not getting. So that means this is not correct. Again, let us find any other number. So suppose I take let us say 11. So what we will do is 22 minus 11, and that will give us 11. Like this you can assume, okay, so you will do 22 minus 11, that is 11. So you can see both of this, you are subtracting 11 and then you are getting the difference also as 11. So both of these are same, and also 11 is the number of players you can fit in a cricket team. So that means answer of this riddle is 11, and this one it was 17, right? So this is how it goes. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.